Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's super windy this time. For sure you can hear it somehow with my microphone with dead cut. Yeah, very windy, but the temperature is not really that cold. It may be around 20 or less. Yeah, but just comfortable. Or maybe because I'm wearing this one is like a sweater. Yeah, this morning was raining, and I was actually driving with the rain. I was wearing my raincoat and my rain trouser. Yeah, okay, let's go. Will they always love you? I look in your eyes. Okay, we just get down here because I miss seeing this one. Okay, there's nothing much. We go back to the road. We can't really go this way because it's like not even passage. Yeah, I'm a little lazy to do the pull-ups today, but yeah, we're going to do some pull-ups. And after all this we said and done, we're just a part of me I can't let go. After all this we said and done, we're just a part of me I can't let go. After first I will try chin up. If I'm not mistaken, that is chin up. It's a little difficult for me because that's my first time. Yeah, this time. Chin up is a little difficult this time because I'm not used to do that, but I will always do some in the beginning of the pull-ups every day. After work I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm looking because I don't know where is the way going up there. Like what I've said last time, I saw some people inside that bush up there. Yeah, there's one very big dog. Too back. I'm coming home to stay. Stop turning. Stop turning. If I had to live my life without you near me. I don't know what they call that, but yeah, it's like a kayak, but it's a group thing. Not an actor, I'm not a star, and I don't even have my own car. Oh, now they are building this water playground. Nice. Oh, this water playground is actually open. Yeah, it's just that there are no so much kids, so much people, because yeah, you see the weather this time. It's cold. These guys, they are going in there. And at the moment there are some passengers coming from the ferry. They are coming from Tea Garden. Oh, we're not going home yet. There is one restaurant there. Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, they have fried rice. Because last time I bought a spring roll. Okay, I got this fried rice ready to eat. I am supposed to eat it here, but we eat it in the house. I meet again Mr. Mick. Yeah, next time I will ask him to be in the video. Okay, we are home. And I also got this package. Yeah, this is the chair, you know, the camping chair. We're going to unbox this later. We are going to eat first. Yeah, this is the fried rice, just $3. Yeah, what's in there? I don't know. And 3 pieces is spring roll. And it costs $8. Yeah, this is my first fried rice from that restaurant. Yeah, from that food shop. Because I usually eat fried rice in the opposite restaurant, the Chinese one. This is spring roll, not the rice yet. I prefer the fried rice in the Chinese restaurant. Maybe because the difference is that the one from the Chinese restaurant, they cook that fried rice a la minute. And this one is already ready, this takeaway. Similar to the food shop in the food court, that during 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock they have sale. Yeah, this one is similar to that. Okay, we're now going to unbox this package. This, not too heavy, just right. Uh-huh. Oh, this one is connected by a like a tie, and it's building by itself. Nice. And this is how it is. So when you are outside, you just sit like this, have a coffee. Then if you want to collapse it, you just have to pull it like this. Also with this one. Then this and this. And then disconnected it like this. And this is how it is now. And then you will use this as the wrapper. And yeah, nice.